If you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your in-game audio settings are correctly configured. Go to the audio settings in Valorant and verify that the output device is set to the correct speakers or headphones. Adjust the volume levels and ensure that the sound effects, music, and dialogue are balanced. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to check for and install the latest audio drivers. Restart your computer after updating to ensure changes take effect. Step 3. Disable audio enhancements. Sometimes audio enhancements can interfere with game audio. Right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab, right-click your audio device, select Properties, and then navigate to the Enhancements tab. Check the box for Disable All Enhancements and click OK. Step 4. Check for background applications. Background applications can sometimes cause audio desync. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that might use audio resources, such as music players or communication apps. This can help free up system resources for Valorant. Step 5. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio desync. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant, and select the option to verify the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them, potentially resolving the audio issue. After following these steps, your audio desync problem in Valorant should be resolved. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.